how to check balance on a Visa gift card. Google search for check Visa gift card balance and open up the first website that pops up right here. It is going to take us to this page, how to check your Visa gift card balance, and you will be able to see the different Visa gift card issuers here. Choose the one which has issued your card. I'm going to do the first one as an example, Visa Vanilla gift cards. And just click on this and it's going to load up a new page like so. Here, what we want to do is navigate to check balance. Click on it. And it's going to ask for the card number, 16 digits, no spaces, the expiration date, as well as the CVV, which is found on the back of your card. Enter the details here, click on continue, and this is going to show you your Visa gift card balance. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.